Hello everyone. If you are encountering an error related to Microsoft Redistributable C++ 2019 when using Oracle VirtualBox, it is likely related to missing or corrupted Visual C++ redistributable files on your system. Oracle VirtualBox relies on these redistributable files to run properly. Here are some steps you can take to resolve the issue. Open your web browser and type Microsoft Redistributable C++ 2019 and hit the enter. Go to the Microsoft official website. In the official website, select the appropriate version and click on the link to download latest version. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer and double-click it to run the installer. After installing the Visual C++ Redistributable 2019, your system should be able to run applications that depend on this package, including Oracle VirtualBox, without encountering any Microsoft Redistributable C++ 2019 errors.